Hello! Can you believe that these curls are completely heatless? No hot tools, and they took less than 90 seconds. I know. Over a year ago, I posted a Robe Curls hair tutorial, and it has over 1.6 million views. And ever since, I received countless messages from you about how Robe Curls was the only method to give you long-lasting curls, they saved you time, and they helped uplift your confidence. Now, I've been waiting for this day for so long, and I can finally share with you the best heatless curls that I have ever tried, and I have tried so many different methods. And I'm so excited because today's video is in collaboration with Robe Curls, and they make this super cute curling headband. Now, I've been testing this since early this year. You may have seen me tease it on Instagram, but I collabed with them on this beautiful dusty rose color, but it comes in a variety of different colors. But the results are beautiful. They take less than 90 seconds. It's so quick and easy. There's no damage to your hair, and they last way longer than curling iron curls, like days. But I'm so excited to share this. I will leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. It's really cool to see my face on their website, and I just know you're really going to love this. So let me show you the new way to get Robe Curls. Hair prep has never been easier. You want your hair to be almost dry, like 95%, so it looks and feels dry, but it's slightly cool to the touch. You don't want your hair to be wet. And if your hair is dry, no problem. Gently misting it with water will do the trick. And I'd recommend focusing it from your temples down, since that's where we'll be wrapping. And if you like, you can add any texture sprays or mousse, but I don't find that I need to. And then go ahead, brush through your hair and part it wherever you like, and then separate it down the back, bringing both side sections forward. Then take your headband, lay it over the top of your head, right where you would normally wear a headband, and ensure that both sides are equal. And then hold your headband in place with one hand and grab all of your hair, bringing it to the front and over, and then using your thumb, push the headband up and around, twisting it. And this will keep everything secure and out of the way. Now grab a 1 to 2 inch piece of hair right at your part, keeping it nice and flat. Now tightly pull this piece of hair back over the headband, and then you want to bring it underneath so it's wrapped around your headband and back to the front, like this. Then grab another section of hair and join it into your previous piece. And then wrap it back over the headband, and you want your twists to sit right below one another so that they're touching. And then bring this section underneath your headband to the front. And then gather another section of hair below your previous one, bring it under your headband and join it into your previous piece. And then wrap it back over your headband, making sure your twists are touching one another. And once you're around the nape of your neck, go ahead and grab all the remaining hair and add it to your front section. And now just continue wrapping all the way down until all the hair is wrapped. And the whole time, you want to make sure that you're wrapping it nice and tight and that all the pieces are touching each other. Once you're done, don't let go. Grab the scrunchie that it comes with, and you want to try to keep the ends of your hair smooth while you wrap your scrunchie, just to make sure you don't have any kinks or creases. First side is done, nice and easy. Now repeat on the other side. What I love about this is how you can customize the curl shape. So when you wrap it, if you wrap it tighter, you'll get more tight curls, more looser voluminous curls, and you can also grab smaller sections to create a more classic spiral shape. Great for more formal looks. And don't forget to secure the ends with your last scrunchie. Once done, just give it a little twist away from your face, and that tightness is what's going to create the curl since our hair is pretty much dry. And if you want tighter curls, twist more. Lastly, see these ends, cross them at the nape of your neck, and then just tuck in the ends. And that's it. This is the look. Now I know you're wondering, is this comfortable? And yes, this padded headband is super comfortable to sleep on. It feels a bit like a pillow. It's nice and squishy. Now you can sleep with it like this or down in pigtails. That's my favorite way, and it'll still stay in place and give you the same results. But the best part is you don't need to sleep in this. You can throw this in the morning while you're getting ready, throw it in after the gym or an exercise class, and when the ends are tied together, it's cute enough to wear out and about, and then when you get home, you take it out, you'll be left with beautiful curls. Now, the most important tip is you want to make sure your hair is 100% dry before removing the headband, and once you remove it, you could even wear it as a cute headband if you like. For best results, I like to sleep in this overnight. That way I can just wake up and go. So I will see you in the morning. I'm so excited to show you the results. All right, I'm back. Are you ready for the reveal? This is my favorite moment. So remove the scrunchies, untwist a little bit, and reveal. so easy and beautiful. I can't wait to see your reveal videos. I'm going to gently comb through my curls and loosen them up a little bit. I love how soft and voluminous these curls are. They are beautiful and they save me so much time in the morning. This is not only my favorite heatless curling product that I've ever tried, but this is my favorite way to style my hair. I've been waiting for this day to share this with you for so long. I just know you're going to love it. I can't wait to hear what you think. Definitely let me know if you're going to try this, and if you do and you create a reveal video, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.